Your freezer is currently holding a secret, and it is likely a rock-solid block of chocolate milk or a vanilla protein shake that you have been ignoring for a full day. That 24-hour wait is the biggest hurdle to clear before you get any results. You cannot just decide you want a treat and have it 5 minutes later. You have to plan your cravings a day in advance. It requires serious discipline. But once that time is up, you take this frozen brick and lock it into a machine that sounds like a jet engine taking off in your kitchen. This thing is loud. I mean, truly, neighbors calling the police kind of loud. If you have sleeping kids or live in a thin-walled apartment, you have been warned. It is a specialized piece of equipment that uses a high-speed spinning blade to shave through ice rather than churning it slowly like a traditional machine. The technology is actually pretty clever. It turns a solid chunk of ice into something that feels like professional gelato. The texture is the real winner here. It is surprisingly smooth and consistent. If you are someone who tracks every gram of protein or avoids dairy like it is a curse, this might be your new best friend. You have total control over every single ingredient. You are not stuck with whatever the grocery store has on the shelf. You can make a pint out of a meal replacement shake or a sugar-free base, and it actually tastes like a real dessert. It is not just icy slush. It is creamy and rich. You have 7 different modes to play with, ranging from standard ice cream and gelato to sorbet and smoothie bowls. There is even a light ice cream setting for those lower calorie bases and a mix-in button for adding chocolate chips or crushed cookies at the end. However, let us talk about the hardware for a moment. It is a lot of plastic. It feels a bit light in the hands. And there are reports of the outer bowls cracking after several months of heavy use. Then there is the icy ring problem. Sometimes the blade does not reach the very edge of the pint. This leaves a thin layer of ice along the walls that requires you to scrape it down or run a second spin cycle. It is a bit of a process. It is not always a one-and-done situation, and you really need to pay attention to what you are actually buying online. There is a specific version of this machine sold as an exclusive on certain sites that only comes with one single pint container. That is a total trap. Most people will want at least 2 containers so they can have one freezing while they eat the other. There is another version out there identical in power and features that usually includes 2 containers for almost the same price. Do not get stuck with just 1 pint. That is a recipe for frustration. A single pint is barely enough for 2 people to share. If you have a large family, you will be running this machine and its loud motor constantly. It delivers on the hype of making health food taste like a cheat meal. You just have to decide if the ear-splitting noise and the plastic construction are trade-offs you can live with every single day. It is a polarizing gadget for sure. Some people swear by it for their daily health goals. Others might find it ends up gathering dust because of the prep work involved. If you love experimenting and do not mind the roar, it is a total game changer. Just make sure you stock up on extra containers before you start. You are going to need them.